Hey coffee crew, Erica here at Rick's Review Hub, and I just ditched my $5 coffee shop habit forever. Meet the Breville Nespresso Vertuo Creatista, the brushed stainless steel beast that turns your kitchen into a corner cafe in 30 seconds flat. If you are tired of weak drip, messy grounds, or spending $8 on a latte that tastes like yesterday, this machine brews 6 perfect sizes from 40ml espresso to 12-ounce alto, then auto-steams milk hotter, cooler, foamier, or flatter with one touch. Picture waking up, sliding in a pod, pressing one button, and walking away while it spins the barcode, heats in 3 seconds, and pours cafe crema on top. No barista skills, no cleanup nightmare, just pro drinks for under $750. Stick with me for the next 12 minutes and I will show you every button, every latte, and exactly why the Vertuo Creatista is the last coffee maker you will ever buy. Grab yours with the link in the description. You support the channel and lock today's lowest price on Amazon. Let us crack the box and talk about features that make this thing a total game changer. First, the full stainless steel body, no cheap plastic, looks like it belongs in a 5-star hotel. 68-ounce water tanks swing out back, fill once and forget for days. The pop-up pod chamber reads the barcode on every Vertuo capsule, espresso double, Grand Lungo, 5-ounce coffee, 8-ounce alto, or carafe. It knows the exact volume, temperature, and spin speed. Drop in a pod, lock the lever, one button, done. Now the star of the show, Breville's automatic steam wand. Pop the stainless jug under the spout, pick one of 3 milk temps and 3 foam levels, walk away. It steams oat, almond, 2%, or whole milk hands-free, then beeps when ready. Pour silky microfoam straight into your shot. Instant flat white, cappuccino, or latte macchiato. Lights on the wand tell you when to rinse. 30-second purge, dishwasher safe jug, 0 scrubbing. Heats water in 3 seconds with thermojet, no waiting. Auto off after 9 minutes, descale alert every 300 pods. Comes with a welcome pack of 12 pods, tasting menu, and a $10 coffee credit. Weighs 22 pounds, fits under standard cabinets, cord tucks neat. Priced around $729, pays itself back in 4 months of skipped drive-thru runs. Real talk time pros and cons after 2 months of daily double lattes. Pros first. 1, one-touch everything. Even my husband makes better cappuccinos than Starbucks. 2, 6 drink sizes cover espresso purists to iced coffee lovers. 3, an auto milk wand is life-changing. 3 temps, 3 foams, no tilting, no mess. 4, barcode tech nails crema every single time. 5, stainless steel looks pro and wipes clean in 10 seconds. 6, huge water tank, tiny footprint. 7, quiet, 60 decibel spin, quieter than my kettle. 8, descalers just pop in a packet and press, 20 minutes. 9, pods recycle free through Nespresso. 10, consistent taste, shot after shot, no bitter surprises. Cons to keep it honest. 1, $729 price stings if you only drink black drip. 2, a milk jug holds 16 ounces, perfect for 2 lattes, but big families need a refill. 3, Vertuo pods cost 90 cents to $1.20 each, still cheaper than $4 cafes. 4, no hot water button for tea or Americano stretch. 5, a steam wand needs 30 seconds to rinse after dairy, light reminds you. 6, taller mugs over 6 inches need the drip tray flipped. Bottom line, pros crush cons for anyone who loves milk drinks or hates mornings without perfect crema. If you drink 2 coffees a day, this machine saves you $1,000 a year easily. My recommendation, buy the Breville Nespresso Vertuo Creatista today. It is the smartest, fastest, most fun way to level up your coffee game without barista school. Click the referral link in the description for the best price plus special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your taste buds will thank you tomorrow morning. Quick fire call to action, subscribe for more kitchen game changers, and click that link to keep the caffeine flowing. What is your go-to coffee order? Drop it below. Thanks for watching, you rock! If this saves your wallet, smash like, share with your coffee crew, or subscribe for more. See you at the next brew.